So we're gonna do a Christmas tree cake here, and we're gonna start with the white.
Christmas tree cake?
And basically what we're gonna do is we're going to pipe the white up the sides so that we have like a little base. We cover the whole triangle, go all the way around.
Why are you so fast at this?
Oh, come on, Rachel. She knows how to do it. Chanel is fast too. And you know what, Rachel, for me, what got me about this whole story was the fact that there are so many people in this country who care, but just don't know how to help.
Right.
And how to you know, and actually, I learned a lot about Chanella, and I'm going to do everything in my power to help Cakes for Kids. And,
there you go.
And really,
Keep
because
it going.
Thank you, buddy.
these kids.
Buddy really is a buddy. He really is. He's one of the most loyal, loving people and wonderful family man.
Well, these kids here, they need a little push.
Little guidance, that's all they need.
Little mentorship,
Yeah.
you know, a little something that people really do care. And I think that there's so many of us who do. And God bless what the both of you are doing, because it touched my heart.
Look, she's not even waiting for you to tell her anything.
You think you're gonna cut us here?
She's like, I'm going to do whatever I want.
Y'all know how many
What do I do
Christmas
now?
trees?
Wait, what
So
are you
we're
doing?
gonna pipe up the sides like that.
I feel so inadequate.
Which tip is?
Oh my
You know
God, I'm
what?
terrible at this.
But Rachel, you gave me my first few lessons though when I was a kid, and
Oh.
I was like, "What?" Girl, when you were doing like
30-minute
a day
meals and
all that
$40
stuff,
a day.
I was, and then she would like bite into the taco sideways. I was like, I eat a taco so messy, but I watched Rachel and I was like, she didn't drop a thing.
And I gotta tell you, I know Rachel.
Oh my God, I'm so far behind.
Rachel, I know you for a long time now, and honestly, you're a big inspiration to me because you are one of the hardest working people that I know,
Thank you.
and good, and always makes time. Oh, I'm serious. I mean, she's got to learn a little bit more on the piping, but you know that's separate.
I'm trying, buddy.
But
Okay, now what?
all right.
Oh
so
my
look,
God, you're
you
doing
gotta do little
2 color
Christmas
ornaments?
balls. Come on now.
Wait, she didn't.
Christmas.
You didn't even get your stem.
Yeah.
I'm bringing you
Okay,
on.
all right.
Bam.
Look, she's helping me.
No. I don't want to help
Oh my
her.
God.
Look, we're making TV. The worse she
I
does,
can't
the
do this.
better
I'm
it is.
making dinner. That's good enough.
You already slapped my cake with your icing bag. You tried to sabotage me already, but it's cool though. We gonna make it. We gonna make it work.
Right here.
All right.
Look, it looks
Whatever.
good, Rach. Not too bad.
Not horrible.
Too bad. Everything looks all right. Yeah.
We need some glitter. We need some sprinkles.
This is not my forte. Now, Chanella,
Star.
Karen,
Oh my goodness.
you guys know these people, right?
Yes.
So Michael sent
absolutely.
over all kinds of goodies
Wow,
in his bag.
that's
all sorts of fun
amazing.
stuff.
Hey, you got some-
And they sent over this little card that has a little gift card in it for you.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
So Michael's is so proud and happy to have been a part of your story. They are donating $10,000 to
Wow.
Cakes for Kids
Yes.
to make sure you guys have supplies for a
Oh
long
my
time.
goodness.
Yes! Christmas awesome!
Merry Christmas!